Have you ever wondered why your phone already knows what word you want to type? Or why Netflix picks your next show before you search? That invisible intelligence behind every screen, that is machine learning. By the end of this video, you will understand it completely. Machine learning is not science fiction. It is simply a computer getting better at a task by studying examples, without anyone spelling out the rules. Think of how you learned to ride a bike. Nobody gave you 10,000 instructions. You fell, adjusted, tried again, and your brain figured it out. Machine learning works the same way. Feed it millions of examples, and it studies the patterns inside that data until it builds real understanding. Traditional software follows fixed rules. If this, do that. Machine learning writes its own rules based on what it observes. It does not just follow patterns, it discovers them. Machine learning is not magic. It is pattern recognition at a scale no human brain could ever match. Imagine teaching a child to recognize cats. You show hundreds of photos, fluffy, tiny, grumpy, and each time say, cat. After enough examples, they could identify one they had never seen. Machine learning follows identical logic. You gather thousands of examples, feed them to a model starting from zero, and that model makes guesses, measures how wrong each one was, adjusts slightly and tries again, hundreds of thousands of times in seconds. This is called training. After enough rounds, the model stops guessing randomly and makes genuinely accurate predictions, not because anyone taught it rules, but because it discovered rules hidden inside the data itself. Learning is just making mistakes and adjusting, and machines do it 1,000,000 times faster than we ever could. Machine learning is not a future technology. It is woven into every digital moment of your day right now. When Gmail filters spam before you see it, machine learning recognized patterns from billions of emails. When Google Maps reroutes you around traffic ahead, it is predicting congestion from millions of live signals. When your bank flags a suspicious charge, a model noticed your spending shifted in a way that did not fit. Netflix predicts your next show before you search. Spotify builds your weekly playlist by studying every listen. Face ID maps your face and recognizes you even as you change. This technology is the invisible foundation underneath the digital world you already live in. And it arrived quietly, without ever announcing itself. It arrived quietly, without announcement, and it has been running your digital life ever since. 3 approaches power different machine learning problems. Supervised learning works like a student with an answer key. You give the model labeled examples, it learns the pattern, and predicts answers for new data. This powers spam filters and medical AI detecting cancer in scans. Unsupervised learning gives the model raw data with no answers at all, like dropping puzzle pieces with no box image and asking it to find what belongs together. Businesses use this to uncover hidden customer patterns. Reinforcement learning may be the most fascinating. The model learns by trial and reward, exactly like training a dog. Try an action, get feedback, build a winning strategy over time. This is how AI beat world chess champions and how self-driving cars learn roads. 3 methods. 1. Shared ambition. Let machines figure out the world on their own. Why does this matter to you right now today? Because we are at a turning point. Unlike anything in history, machine learning is helping doctors diagnose diseases faster than specialists, helping farmers predict crop failures weeks early, and reshaping finance, education, and creative work simultaneously. And here is what most people miss. This technology is no longer locked inside billion-dollar companies. The tools are becoming accessible to individuals and small business owners. Understanding what machine learning is, how it thinks, what it can do, is the first step toward using it rather than being used by it. The people who thrive in the next decade will understand these systems and ask the right questions of them. That journey starts right here with this video with you. The future belongs to those who understand the tools shaping it. And today, you took your first real step. Machine learning is not a threat to fear or a mystery to avoid. It is the most powerful tool our generation has ever held.